Another bleak day in the pandemic, with revelations an 8-week-old baby who died in the Hunter last month may have become Australia's youngest COVID fatality.
This infant had COVID and the cause of death has been referred to the coroner. You can imagine that this is one of the most difficult times a family could ever go through.
The deaths of 46 people ranging in age from their 30s to their 90s were announced in the latest reporting period. And the public are being warned there are more deadly days to come, even once case numbers fall.
In this outbreak, as in previous outbreaks, we expect to see a sort of lag of 2 to 3 weeks. So unfortunately, the death numbers will likely to remain high.
Asked if he had any regrets, the Premier again defended the path he's chosen.
It's a difficult and challenging road, but it's the right road to take. The alternative is lockdown, and that is not the right approach.
I believe he still doesn't get it. The modest restrictions that were removed on the December 15th, just over a month ago, fuelled the Omicron crisis that's now gripped the eastern states of Australia.
Authorities are now confident there are multiple signs the spread of Omicron is slowing. There were just over 25,000 positive COVID tests reported and a promising plateau in hospitalisations. Government modelling forecast hospital wards would be treating between 3,000 and 6,000 COVID patients this week. But that figure has stayed well below even the best case scenario modelling at just over 2,500. It's a similar story in the state's intensive care units, which are currently treating 209 patients, which is again below the best case scenario modelling. The government's admitted it is expecting case numbers to rise when school returns, but it's yet to release its back-to-school plan. The Premier says rapid antigen tests will form part of the plan for both schools and early childhood centres, at least to begin with.
We don't see rapid antigen tests playing a long-term role. We see them playing a short-term role in instilling confidence in our parents and in our teachers to get kids back in the classroom on day one.
With that day rapidly approaching, many are anxiously awaiting the details. Sarah Geraghty, ABC News, Sydney.